to Georgia, to the Mississippi Delta. The music traveled and migrated and influenced me. Blues, gospel, jazz, country, oh, influence me. Hey everybody, I'm getting ready to present my new song, Blues, Gospel, Jazz, Country Song, written by Barbara Campbell and All Star. We are a Brooklyn artist creating songs. We are independent digital music creators. And at this time, I talked about via the pandemic, music heals the soul. Okay, and via the pandemic, as we still are, okay, music healed me. Okay, and here I am, alive, healthy, and wearing a mask, and coming through this pandemic. Everybody, I know this has been tough 2 years, but when we remember where we started and where we are now, that strength and all the things that got you through. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to you for supporting me. I know I was playing my guitar out of tune and singing out of tune, but I'm getting it and I'm working on all these wonderful things. And I want to say, right now in my creative development, I'm trying not to, I should learn theory and chords, but for my creative process right now, the choice, I want to learn to just strum the guitar freely, play the guitar freely. I don't want to think about notes and chords because then I can't express myself and put my words and what I'm feeling out there. I think there's a time for everything. There's going to be a time for me to learn all these chords and all the theories, and all that happens while you're enjoying the process of creating music. But I want to say thank you to all my musician friends out there that, probably been trying to encourage me to, learn some more techniques on the guitar. But trust me, I think I've come a long way from where I started. And it's been 2 years. I want to say a big thanks to All Star, one of our amazing BC guitarist, piano, sound engineer, producer, has accompanied me in so many of my songs. I want to say thank you to you, All Star, and most importantly to our family members and friends, and especially you, and you from around the world. Thank you so much for tuning in for my BC Original Rehearsal. And especially, big shout out to Brooklyn, Crown Heights, New York. Thank you so much, everybody. All right, I'll see you in the next episode of Be Live on Air, Barbara Campbell Television. And this is a behind the scene of BC Original Rehearsal. And I'm preparing and presenting our new song, Blues, Gospel, Jazz, Country Song. And this was a long audio content, but I wanted to make sure I said thank you and shared a little bit about my story. All right, bye-bye. Till then, you better steer Brooklyn. I'll see you in the next episode. Vote. Vote. Take the time to vote. If you're watching this video, take the time to vote and stay green. Bye-bye.